Here's a 2015 Chevrolet Equinox. This Equinox is a talented multitasker with impressive fuel economy, thoughtful safety features, and a powerful performance. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. External memory control, Wi-Fi hotspot, air conditioning, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection remarks, whether you're moving into the Equinox from a mid-size car or from a more truck-like SUV, you'll find a lot to like in the cabin design. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Honesty, integrity, and a hometown feel. Stop into Classic Chevrolet today. We're conveniently located at 6190 West Blue Road in Lake City, Michigan.